Hey everyone, my name is Rachel and I am one of the co-founders of Equal Time, and I wanted to share with you how I am using AI and our product Equal Time to save myself on average about 10 hours a week, I'm estimating. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. So the main ways that I use Equal Time is everything around my meetings. So that means I can use it to help prepare for my upcoming meetings. I can use it to take notes during my meetings, send a follow-up email after the meetings, and store those notes that it took into our CRM so I never lose track of that. So all the copy pasting, all that work is taken care of. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how that works. So here's my upcoming meetings that are coming up. So let's say I want to prepare for my next weekly team meeting. So I'm going to click prep. And what it's doing is it's looking at the last weekly team meeting that I had, and it is going through the notes and analyzing and figuring out what are the topics that need to be discussed, what did people commit to doing, and that I should follow up on and ask them, did you actually do this? Also reminders to myself, did I actually do what I said I was going to do? So let's take a look. So key focus areas. So it's talking about all the technical updates, and the product discussions and marketing discussions that we had talked about, the action items that we had talked about doing, and then considerations and reminders for what we have to do in the next steps. So that's really helpful. Then the other thing that I do is after the meeting has happened, so this was, let's say, like a meeting notes that has already happened. I will usually ask it to help me draft a follow-up email. You can tweak this around a little bit, but we have a prompt that's already written to just write a basic follow-up email, and it will do that for you. So you can use that directly, copy paste it into your Gmail or Outlook and use that, or tweak it if you need. But that's kind of takes away a lot of the work. So especially if I'm having client calls or customer meetings, that's really helpful to send them a recap and send them a really nicely worded email afterwards. And then the other piece of this as well is we have a webhook integration. So that allows me to send meeting notes automatically to our CRM. So whether you're using like HubSpot or Salesforce or Pipedrive or Adio, or really anything that is out there that's connected to Zapier, or that can take a direct webhook integration, you can use that. So